Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see we're at the beginning of summer. Yeah, it's hot outside. It's 37 degrees Celsius, so it's really hot. I just came back from my shopping. It wasn't big shopping, it was like midweek stock up. So yeah, I did end up buying some meat for some meals for this week, so we will see what it will end up being. So let me show you my haul. What I got from the store: I picked up a pineapple, milk, and soy milk for my younger. Potatoes, 3 kilograms, some zucchinis, and this is pork fat for cooking. Toothbrushes, cocoa powder, hummus. This is Mediterranean hummus. Chickpeas for making homemade hummus and pasta salad that I'm planning on making. This is hazelnut spread that we like. Some tomato paste, granolas, and here I have freezer bags. These are ice cube bags, some wet wipes, tortillas, a bunch of bananas, eggs, and some pasta. These are snow cones, yeah, for ice cream. And this is chicken steak, or like chicken breast, and this is beef. So this all took me about 50 euros. So yeah, not bad at all. Every time I go and restock the pantry or fridge, I tend to clean it a little bit first before I put the new items in. This time it wasn't that bad, but I had a lot of forgotten leftovers and I did throw them away. And I will try to be better at using those things that I put in the fridge. So yeah, I hope that I'm not the only one who forgets to use the leftovers. Okay, so now I'm doing some pancakes again because my kids love them, and honestly they are delicious and they are a nice little sweet treat. So yeah. As a kid, I really loved those kind of pancakes that my mom used to do. However, this is homemade pancakes with a twist. I did not use regular milk, I used soy milk, and we didn't even notice the difference. So they were soft, delicious, perfection. And I also did some muffins, banana muffins, and I'm contemplating if I should add some cocoa inside or not. Maybe I will do half with cocoa, half with just with banana, and we will see which one my kids will like more. So yeah, I will input the recipes down in the description bar for the pancakes and also for the banana muffins. So this is the batter for the muffins, and I'm going to put it in a silicone mold so I can bake them. And as usual, I did end up forgetting to add the cocoa powder to the 1/2. So if you did like this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and giving this video a like, because it really does help me, and I really want to expand here on YouTube, because I think that I like this new hobby of mine, and it keeps me like sane. These are the pancakes. So, yeah. And I still have a bunch more to make. Also, the muffins are already baking, and yeah, these are some snacks for the next few days, since I'm having some things to do around, and I won't have time to make every day something from scratch to snack for my kids. So yeah.